It is with a heavy heart that I stand before you today, the father of the Indian community, our friend, philosopher, and guide, our much loved Sheikh Kanaksi Khimji has left us. In the premises of the Indian Social Club, which he started more than 40 years ago, we will share one by one our memories of this great man, interspersed with a pictorial tribute to his life. We stand with the Khimji family in this hour of grief and pay our homage to this great soul. We will start with sacred Sanskrit chants from the 15th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita by Mrs. Mangal Satish Nambiar to invoke the presence of the divine.
अथ पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः पुरुषोत्तमयोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलमधः शाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित् अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसृतास्तस्य शाखाः गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रवालाः अधश्च मूलान्यनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके न रूपमस्येह ततोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यथ प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी निर्मानमोहाजितसङ्गदोषाः अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामाः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ताः सुखदुःखसंज्ञैः गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत् न तद्भासयते सूर्यः न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम ममैवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूतः सनातनः मनःषष्ठानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वरः गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात् श्रोत्रं चक्षुः स्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितं यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानः नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः यदादित्यगतं तेजः जगद्भासयतेऽखिलं यच्चन्द्रमसि यच्चाग्नौ तत्तेजो विद्धि मामकम् गामाविश्य च भूतानि धारयाम्यहमोजसा पुष्णामि चौषधी सर्वाः सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मकः अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः प्राणापानसमायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम् सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टः मत्तः स्मृतिर्ज्ञानमपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यः वेदान्तकृद्वेदविदेव चाहम् द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके क्षरश्चाक्षर एव च क्षरः सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः यस्मात्क्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः यो मामेवमसम्मूढः जानाति पुरुषोत्तमम् स सर्वविद् भजति मां सर्वभावेन भारत इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदमुक्तं मया नघ एतत् बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे पुरुषोत्तमयोगो नाम पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः।
I would now like to invite Dr. Satish Nambiar, Chairman of the Indian Social Club, to say a few words. Dr. Nambiar was Kanak Bhai's doctor for many years, and he had a very close personal relationship with him. He always looked up to Kanak Bhai as his mentor and guide, and today he is feeling the loss very deeply. Dr. Nambiar, the floor is yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here to pay our respects and condole the very sad passing of Sri Kanak Kimji. His passing was a staggering loss to not only the Indians in Muscat, Indians in India, but Indians and the citizens of the world over. It's going to take a very long time for us to come to terms with the fact that he is no more with us. A divine soul, Kanak Bhai had a heart of gold. He had a helping hand across the board and would look forward to helping one and all and reach out to them and help them to its entirety. To me, he was a mentor. Almost everything that I did in Muscat, I've done it with his blessings. He has guided the path of so many individuals like us, like me, over the years and helped them find happiness and success. He is going to leave behind a pair of shoes which are too large to fill. And we don't know whether we will ever see another gentleman like him. We convey our condolences to Kalpana Babi, to Pankaj, Nilesh, Deepa, their families and extended families. And no solace is going to be sufficient, but we have to pray extensively and see that some solace is achieved out of this. And I pray to the Lord to rest his soul at his feet in Sadgati and eternal peace. Thank you. I would like to request Pankaj Bhai to kindly switch on into Zoom, say a few words in Zoom and represent the family. We have a good number of people watching this.
Can you hear me? Um, what can I say about Papa? On behalf of Deepa, Nailesh, Mami, and all the extended family members present, we're totally overwhelmed by the warmth and the wishes that we've received from the community at large. We are grateful for your support, for your kind words of comfort in this trying times. We too are extremely proud of Papa's achievements, and we thank you all for being with him over the years, over decades in Oman, and as he built with you all a community spirit that probably a lot of our neighboring countries and a lot of other countries in the globe would be very envious of. Let's keep this community spirit of unity alive, of caring for each other, of looking after each other. And I think that's the only way we can brighten his path of wherever he is by living his life, by living his values, and by living his ethos system. Thank you, dear members. Thank you, colleagues, for all the warmth that you've shown.
I now welcome His Excellency, the Indian Ambassador, Shri Manu Mahavar, to this condolence meeting and request him to kindly say a few words.
Namaskar. On behalf of Government of India and the Indian community in Oman, I extend heartfelt condolences on the passing away of Sheikh Kanad Bhai Gokuldas Khilji. I had first heard about Kanad Bhai when I was in Delhi preparing for my assignment here. But it was only after arriving in Oman I fully realized the extent of his contributions to the Omani society and for the welfare of Indian community in Oman. He was like a father figure to the Indian community in Oman. He was an institution builder, and he played a key role in the establishment of several institutions. Just to name a few, he played a leading role in the establishment of first Indian school in Oman, as well as the Indian Social Club. He was the president of Hindu Temple Management and Banyan Merchant Community. He was the founder chairman of Oman Cricket. He generously supported various social and cultural initiatives to promote bonds of friendship between India and Oman. As head of a very successful business group, he also played a key role in bringing the business communities of the two countries together and developing close bonds among them. It was therefore no surprise when in 2003, Government of India chose him as the first person from the region for Pravasi Bharati Samman Award. The list of Kanad Bhai's achievements and contributions is very long. However, we also remember him as a very kind, warm, and gentle soul. He always responded promptly and positively to any requests to support the community. He also proactively supported all initiatives to further develop and strengthen India-Oman strategic partnership. He made it a point, till such time his health permitted, to attend all the events and functions organized by the embassy. I very fondly remember my warm interactions with Kanad Bhai and I will always cherish those memories. We pray for this noble, gentle soul to rest in eternal peace. Om Shanti.
Pravasi Bharati Award winner, Mr. Kiran Asher, has been a close associate of Kanak Bhai, in addition to being a family member. In fact, he always regarded Kanak Bhai as a true companion and looked up to him for guidance. I invite Kiran Bhai to come up to the stage and say a few words.
Namaskar. Good evening. It's the saddest phase in my life. Second time it happened. First time it happened when I lost my father. And this time when we lost the father of the community. And there's nothing we can do about it, but nothing we can replace with it. I have known him from my day of coming into Oman from 1975, and I consider himself as my mentor, my guide, my guru, my companion. We've always been together. And when I think about it, if there's a problem or if there's something, where would I go these days? Whom would I approach, and how would I solve my problem, or how would I able to guide the community on his way of thinking? I don't know what do I do, but I'll do my best. And I hope that his blessings will be there from wherever he is. We know the Kanak in Sanskrit means gold. And this man was definitely with heart of gold. And that's why the name was very appropriate for him. He was always there to solve the problem. And don't just solve the problem, but problem solved permanently. And then follow it up and see it implemented, and to the satisfaction of the people who are in problem and the parties involved. And also, he will make sure that the end result of that is something that is acceptable and happiness for everybody. I can assure you, or I did know, that whoever has met him with the problem, he has ended up with a solace at the end of the conversation or the session. He really was a bridge between the two brotherly countries, Oman and India, and also was for the bilateral relationship, which nobody can deny it. The right tribute for him will be to really, imbibe his legacy, his qualities, the culture, the character that he had. And if we can imbibe one, if not many, and follow and observe it, I think that will be the right tribute from all of us to the departed soul. And I have got one slok here. Swasmai swalam samajaya sarvaswam. It means a little bit for yourself and everything else for the others. That was Sheikh Kanak Sikkim Ji. I used to fondly call him Kanak Bhai, Pujya Kanak Bhai. Now, I think he was responsible for so many things in this country. I mean, maybe in India too. I mean, take various activities such as like education, cultural association. I think his contribution to the association, cultural activity, he was very keen. He was in business community, so economy section also was taken care of. Sports, Oman cricket, you can't deny it. If he wouldn't have been there, Oman couldn't have been there today where we are today now. And then religious and spiritual things like temples, cremation grounds, priests coming up here, giving seminars and discourses. And virtually in all of these establishments that I've talked about, I had been with him in some form to support him and to be with him and learn from him. And I've learned a lot from him how to really handle the situations and carry forward his legacy. He was really a true devotee who lived for mankind and with excellent human values. don't forget, he also was very humorous, very jolly man. In many occasions we used to, get together and sit together. He will look at somebody and say, if you're not watching for your you will be key ring or a telephone or a wallet, he will tell somebody, pick up that particular wallet and give it to him. He will put it in somebody else's pocket or somebody else's purse, and that fellow will be frustrated looking for it. He behaved like he's done nothing. And gradually, when he finds that other fellow is very much upset and frustrated, he will say, okay, go inside. I think somebody else is taken for you in his bag. So this sort of, even the humor you will get from him also at the same time. He really was, as I said, I don't know what I'm going to do when he's not around. As I said, the only love we can show shall, our only love shall keep him alive, so we can guide us and bless us from wherever he is. I have nothing more to say. I think many, all of us, we are going to miss him. And I feel that wherever he is gone, he's gone to a better place maybe at the moment, but from wherever he is, he keep on blessing us, keep on guiding us, and keep on looking after us and telling us if we go something wrong, and telling us to stop doing this one, go right way. And I sincerely wish the family for the irreparable loss that they will be facing it. Not the family, the entire community will be really missing him. I once again pray to the Almighty to bless the departed soul. Thank you very much for asking me to be a part of this condolence meeting. And we wish him a pleasant stay wherever he is. Masalama, namaskar. Thank you very much.
Dr. P. Muhammad Ali, a Pravasi Bhartiya Award winner, is one of the business leaders who has contributed greatly to the development of Oman. He has been in Oman since the 70s and worked closely with Kanak Bhai in business and other community matters. I request Dr. Muhammad Ali to talk about his association with Kanak Bhai.
Good evening, everyone. With great sorrow and grief, I am participating in this meeting to express our sincere condolence to the Khimji family, the Indian community, and particularly Kalpana Bhabi, Pankaj Khimji, Nilesh Khimji. I know Kanak Sibai ever since I came to Oman. And I have seen his activities, his involvement in every activities of the Indian community, whether it is establishing the first Indian school or establishing the Indian Social Club or establishing the Cricket Association. He was always in the forefront. And he was served as a president of these in the initial years. While serving Oman in the early 70s, in every nook and corner, he upheld generosity, honesty, and commitment to the nation. And at the same time, India was at his heart, that he exhibited the Indianness in every activities. We worked together in many socio-cultural activities, And he had a great understanding of the Oman's deep culture, and his guidance and wisdom will always helped us to reach the right decisions and at all times. He was a pillar of strength to the Indian community, and also he was loved by all the loved and respected by the all Omani community. His loss is a great loss to the Indian community as well as the Omani community. We we all pray for his eternal peace, and also to pray for the family to get strength on his the loss. And for me, it is a personal loss as an elder brother. I'm sure the community and the Omani will remember him and remember fondly. And let us all pray for his eternal peace. And I thank the Indian Social Club for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this condolence meeting. Thank you. Jai Hind.
When the Indian Social Club, then known as the Indian Cultural Association, was founded in 1977, Mr. Suresh Vermani, a Pravasi Bharatiya Award winner, was one of the founding members. He was the ex-General Secretary and Vice President and worked closely with Kanak Bhai in the late 70s, 80s, and 90s. Mr. Vermani, I hand over the mic to you to say a few words.
Om Shanti. It was a great shock and disbelief when on 18th February morning, I received the news of Kanak Bhai not being with us. For the one who had the privilege and honor of not only knowing Kanak Bhai for more than 40 years, but having worked alongside him, particularly in late 70s, 80s, and 90s, the formative years of building Indian social, cultural, and education institutes. His mild and unassuming manners, compassionate nature, always treating us as his family, made him a leader for whom one loved to give one's best. We shall remember him as the most humble and forgiving human being, ready to help in any which way, making a difference in others' life. On behalf of our family, we convey our deepest heartfelt condolences to Kalpana Ben, Pankaj, Nilesh, Deepa, and entire Khinji family. Our prayers for the noble soul to rest in peace. Kanak Bhai, you shall always live in our hearts. Om Shanti.
I now request Pravasi Bharatiya Award winner, Mr. R.M. Parak, to share with us his recollections of Kanak Bhai.
Tribute to Sheikh Kanak Bhai, a rare and unique personality who came to this world to serve humanity. He will be remembered for his contribution for social services, community welfare, building the institutions, Indian school, Indian social club, Oman Cricket Club, and many more. He had one of the unique and rare quality within him, the humanity and kindness. He will deal with the smallest person with a great respect and dignity, and he will win over for him for entire life. This particular quality he bestowed on among everyone wherever he has dealt in the country and outside. I have no hesitation in telling that he was a Harvard School of Human Relations. In our life, if we can improve humanity and kindness to serve the people, it will be great service and tribute to Sri Sheikh Kanakshi Bhai. Thank you.
I'm going to switch hats now and speak as the convener of the Indian Social Club Charity Wing and Indian Social Club Ladies Wing Coordinator. Kanak Bhai's heart was always in helping the underprivileged. In 2008, we started the Indian Social Club Charity Wing. But in those days, the charity wing was called Asha, All Should Help All. And our logo was a candle which symbolized hope. I believe that Kanak Bhai was the flame of that candle of hope. He helped brighten the lives of so many needy people with his generosity and support. I remember going to his office with Bridget. His office was in Matra, and he would welcome us to his office with a charming smile and greeting of kemcho and a kind offer of masala tea. And then we would talk to him about the cases of the needy people who needed help. He would listen with great sympathy and attention and unhesitatingly offer his help. As Rudyard Kipling said, if you can be with kings and not lose the common touch, then you are a man, my son. And Kanak Bhai was such a man, a giant among men, and we will miss him terribly. But the footprints that he left on the sands of time in Oman will live on forever. Thank you, Kanak Bhai, for everything that you did for us. I now welcome Dr. Baby Sam Samuel to say a few words about Kanak Bhai. I recall an incident when Dr. Baby Sam, Dr. Analpa, who was the former principal of the Care and Education Center, and I had gone to Kanak Bhai's office regarding a pressing problem with the center. Kanak Bhai was very helpful, and thanks to his direction and Mr. Pankaj Khimji's support, the problem was quickly sorted out. And now I give you Dr. Baby Sam Samuel.
Of Indian schools in Oman began 45 years ago with 135 students and half a dozen teachers. This was possibly by the vision and efforts of Sheikh Kanakshi Goguldas Khimji, who left us for his heavenly abode last Thursday on the 18th of February. As founder of the first Indian school in Oman, it is to his vision that we as Indian diaspora in Oman owe our educational access and growth. We now stand at 21 schools spread across the various governorates with more than 45,000 students. Over these years, Kanak Bhai has continued his endeavor to elevate the scope of education for the Indian community as the first president of the School Management Committee of Indian School Muscat, the first Indian school in Oman, and later, through the wholesome support he has extended to the Indian schooling system. Kanak Bhai has been a godfather to the Indian diaspora in Oman. His impact has been felt across every sector of Indian community, be it business, education, social, or cultural. Personally, in all my interactions with him, he has showered his warmth and fatherly affection, which will be forever cherished. A man of few words and immense wisdom, we Indian schools and the Indian community at large shall always remember him in our hearts. We offer our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family and pray that God may grant them the strength needed.
I now call upon Mr. Gajesh Dhariwal, member of the Board of Directors, Indian Schools, and convener of the Hindi wing, to say a few words.
जब जीवन में अचानक कुछ बहुत दुखद घटता है तो अपने भाव व्यक्त करने के लिए, अपनी बात कहने के लिए शब्द नहीं सूझते। हमारे लोकप्रिय हर दिल अजीज कनक भाई का स्वर्ग सिधारना भी कुछ ऐसा ही है। ओमान के भारतीय समाज ने और अनेकों ओमानी भाइयों ने अपना संरक्षक, अपना मार्गदर्शक खोया है। उनके समीप आने से, उनकी नजरों में आने से, उनकी छांव में आने से हर एक को अनायास ही लगता था कि कनक भाई मेरे बहुत अपने हैं। किसी ने उनमें पिता रूप, किसी ने बड़ा भाई और किसी ने उनमें अपना परम हितैषी पाया और उसका अनुभव भी किया। उनकी शांत, स्नेही, सादगीपूर्ण और गरिमामयी उपस्थिति मात्र से ही वातावरण के अंदर एक अपनापन, एक शालीनता, एक उत्साह अपने आप ही महक उठता था। स्वर्गीय कनक भाई ने अनेकों क्षेत्रों में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिए हैं। उनकी अनुपस्थिति से जो रिक्तता उपजी है, उसको भर पाना, उसकी भरपाई करना असंभव है। कनक भाई हमारे दिलों में हैं, हमारी यादों में हैं और हमारे इरादों में रहेंगे। अपने सत्कर्मों से, अपने परोपकारी जीवन से और अपने अविरल स्नेह और आशीर्वाद से वो हमारे दिलों में बसे हैं और कनक भाई अमर हैं। उनका मार्गदर्शन, उनके सद्विचार हमें सदैव प्रेरित करते रहेंगे। हम सबकी ओर से मैं भावभीनी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं। परमपिता परमात्मा उनकी पुण्य आत्मा को अपने श्री चरणों में स्थान दें। साथ ही प्रभु से प्रार्थना है कि परिवारजनों को और प्रियजनों को दुख की इस बहुत कठिन घड़ी में धैर्य और सहन शक्ति प्रदान करें। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
I now invite Mr. C.M. Sardar, Vice Chairman of the Indian Social Club, to come up and say a few words. But before he starts, I would like to share some interesting facts with you. Mr. Sardar and Kanak Bhai come from almost the same place in India, and he was actually introduced to Kanak Bhai by Kanak Bhai's father, Sri Gokul Das Ji. Kanak Bhai, who was a keen cricketer, used to take him to play cricket in PDO on Fridays in those days. And now I request Mr. C.M. Sardar, to tell us the rest of the story.
I had the good fortune of meeting Sri Kanaksi Khimji, popularly known as Kanak Bhai, 46 years ago in 1974 when I first came to Oman. Since then, our relationship was always very warm and affectionate. The past year has not been a kind one to most of us, and I have had two tragedies that have struck me the most. The first was losing my father last June, and the second, losing my father figure, Kanak Bhai. The loss today is a generally personal one, as he was my father figure from the time I landed on the shores of Oman. He was like a mentor, not only to me, but to the entire Indian community here. He was always ready with a helping hand towards anybody in stress. He was always setting the right examples of leadership, generosity, and compassion. He was not just famous among the adults, but also among the younger generation and children with whom he mingled with a childlike enthusiasm and curiosity. He was a great sports enthusiast and did so much for the sporting community here in the Sultanate. He promoted cricket in Oman, taking the country to be becoming a member of the ICC. He understood the importance of imbibing a sportsmanship spirit in the next generation, which is why he never failed to support all other sports beyond cricket as well, and attended every sporting function to give his blessings. Kanak Bhai put great efforts to set up the Indian Social Club in Oman, which has helped our entire community to feel a sense of belonging and togetherness through all the years that we have spent living far away from our motherland. He has set the standards very high for all Indians in Oman, standards of decency, of being a good human being, and an ever ready helping hand for anyone in need. They say that the great use of life is to spend it for something that will outlast it. Kanak Bhai's deeds in his lifetime will certainly outlast his life. All his years, which he spent contributing so immensely to the Sultanate of Oman, will continue to inspire us always. I'm confident that his legacy will live on and will be carried forward by his future generations in a manner that would make him proud. My and Vibha's heartfelt condolences to Kalpana Bhabi, Pankaj Bhai, Nilesh Bhai, Deepa Bahen, and the entire Khimji family and Khimji Ramdas group. I feel lucky to have met and known an inspiring human being like Kanak Bhai. I pray that he is resting in peace and will continue to shower his blessings on all of us as he always did. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Mr. P.M. Jaber is a noted social worker and community leader in Oman. I request him to kindly say a few words.
Passing away of some individuals create such a void that it can never be filled. Sri Kanaksi Khimji was such a person whose passing away can never be filled. He held a special place in the lives and hearts of all those who knew him. He was not only the Sheikh of Indian origin Omani nationals, but the Sheikh of all Indians. He treated entire community equally, big or small,
rich or poor. He treated everyone equally. A down-to-earth person. I was fortunate to have known him ever since I came to Oman. As his name indicates, Kanak, he was a man with a golden heart. Whatever the Indian community has achieved here, be it social, educational, welfare, he was there everywhere as the leader. There was not a single field where he has not touched the lives of the poor or the Indians here. Not only Indians, all the other community also. I have personal experience from 1991, and it was in the year 1991. I approached Kanak Bhai. Everyone calls him Kanak Bhai. I approached Kanak Bhai with a request to help a person who was admitted in Kuala Hospital. He was there for many days, and we could not settle his bill. Kanak Bhai said, "Hukum karo." That was one thing. He always said, "Hukum karo." Order, please order. So we requested him. Then it was settled within a matter of 24 hours. Then again, during GONU, he was there with us, with then Ambassador His Excellency Anil Wadhwa and our chairman, Dr. Satish Tambia. He was there. He said, it was in remote areas, we could not contact people. He said, "I'm there, we'll contact the places like Sur and all." Within hours, the matter was settled and we could reach out to them. Then not only in Sur, all the other areas, it was under his leadership, we reached out to people. Kanak Bhai will be missed because he was called Kanak Bhai because he was very close to the hearts of everyone who came close to him. I express my deepest condolences to the family of Kanak Bhai. ഈ മലയാളി സമൂഹത്തിന്റെ പേരിലും ഞാൻ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ആദരാഞ്ജലികൾ അർപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. അദ്ദേഹം മുഴുവൻ സമൂഹത്തോടും വളരെ സമഭാവനയോടുകൂടി പെരുമാറി, ആരാണെന്ന് നോക്കാതെ സമഭാവനയോടുകൂടി പെരുമാറിയ ഒരു വ്യക്തിത്വം. അദ്ദേഹം തൊടാത്ത ഒരു മേഖലയും ഒമാനിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. ഇന്ത്യൻ സമൂഹം ഇന്ന് അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന പല സൗഭാഗ്യങ്ങൾക്കും കാരണം അദ്ദേഹമാണ്, പ്രധാനമായ അദ്ദേഹമാണെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് നമുക്ക് പറയേണ്ടി വരിക. വലിയ വിയോഗമാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ വിയോഗം സൃഷ്ടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് വലിയ വിടവാണ്. അത് ഒരു കാലത്തും നികത്താൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നില്ല. എക്കാലത്തും കനക് ഭായ് ഓർമ്മിക്കപ്പെടും. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങളുടെയും ഇന്ത്യൻ സമൂഹത്തിന്റെ തന്നെ വേദനയിൽ ഞാനും പങ്കുചേരുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം. താങ്ക് യു.
I invite Dr. Avirat Vaishnav, ex-president of ISM and noted pediatric surgeon, to come up and say a few words.
Sheikh Kanaksi Gokuldas Khimji. But who called him that? It is always Kanak Bhai or Kanak Kaka. A name synonymous for me with Oman, India, schools, children, humanness, humility, philanthropy. It seems almost surreal for me to speak of him as our past and pay tribute to such a giant of a person who never looked down at anyone in spite of achieving great heights himself. He leaves behind a legacy which would be forever etched onto the hearts and minds of every human he has even remotely contact with him. And for generations, people will speak about him with justified adulation. His special connection with children and education was the prime mover. It was with this vision that 135 students and 7 teachers entered a small building in the old walled city of Muscat. August 15, 1975, ISM was born. It was the enthusiasm and confidence of the Indian community and Kanak Bhai himself. First president of the School Management Committee of Indian School Muscat. I was privileged to follow in a tenure that encompassed the 40th year of Indian School Muscat. Kanak Bhai's shoes were always too big to fill. Who had to measure up, all of us had to measure up to his care and compassion. On a personal note, every time I met him, I felt as though I was the only person in the room. And he would come down and say, "Doctor, all okay?" And when he invited us to his legendary Annakut, we felt as though we were the only people in the house and the only guests in the house. I also had the privilege to be part of a team that went to Kutch after the 2001 earthquake, and driving through Mandavi, witnessed the first-hand massive role that Kanak Bhai and the entire family has played in the development of the region. And Mandavi, in return, closed its businesses for a day as a mark of respect for Kanaksi Sheth. How can the dead be truly dead when they live in the souls and hearts of those who left behind? The song is ended, but the melody lingers on. And as Jawaharlal Nehru pointed out, at another momentous occasion, the light has gone out of our lives. And finally, a quote from KR's own website: Kanak Bhai's legacy will continue to drive the Khimji Ramdas Group forward, upholding the core values of trust, care, commitment, and learning, which have stood the group in good stead for the last 5 decades.
I request Mrs. Hemlata Jasrani, convener of the ISC Kutchi wing, to pay her tribute to Sheikh Kanaksi Khimji.
जय श्री कृष्ण श्री कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरे परमात्मने प्रणत क्लेश नाशाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः कनकभाई जे विषे आऊं थोड़ो गाल करा कच्छ जो हीर अने कच्छ जो वीर कच्छ जो जड़कतो चीर आब माथी हली वयो मस्कत ओमान जे आब माथी कच्छ जो जगमगतो सितारो तारो खरी वयो कड़ी कंडारनार वाटू वाटारनार अने जे केड़ी जो कंडारनार बड़वीर कच्छ माथी मस्कत ओमान माथी हली वयो कच्छ जी दरा जो जगमगतो तारलो खरी वयो ओमान जो हिकिड़ो कच्छी चाणक्य पंहिंजे हथ माथी सरी वियो कुरो चवां तो लाइ मानवी कच्छ जो सावज असांजो हुकारतो डकारतो माण्हू बड़वीर असांजे हथ माथी हली वियो अजंजी दरा जी सुनी थी हुई कच्छ मडई जा माण्हू सुना थी विया कच्छ में जे ई केड़ी कंडा रही आहे एड़ो कनक एड़ो हेम जो घड़नारो हेमवंतो वीर कच्छ माथी मस्कत ओमान माथी हली वियो कुरो चवान मानवी लय करीने आऊं बड़वीर कीर्ति जो कोडला अने तारला वीणनार कोई एड़ो माड़ू नाए जे अज अखियां रोए नथो अंजे हलदे अंजे चलदे अंजे बोलदे जेको माड़ू अज ओवारी वञनि था अजी माड़ू सुना थी विया कच्छ जी दरा सुनी थी हुई मडई सुनी थी वियो खीमजी रामदास असांजी कन्या विद्यालय जो हिकिड़ो पाए जो पत्थर हली वियो खूब ज असांखे दुख लगे तो પણ જે કચ્છ જો બળવીર કઈ આए કચ્છ जी सिंह सावत जेड़ी छाती वारो माण्हू अने कच्छ जी तरह के सींचे वारो माण्हू असांजो हेम हिकिड़ो कनक जे हेमवीर हो हेतवीर हो जे दरामाथी हेम जो हरखातो मूड़ो मानस मुणस हली वियो करिया पुरो तोला हे बरवीर गाल ऐं ही दरामाथी कच्छीअ जो बा बेली हली वियो जय श्री कृष्ण मणियार खिमजी रामदास परिवार कल्पना भाभी तथा आखे परिवार के कच्छी विंग थी खूब खूब दिल सोजी पाटविया खोट त पुराय वारी नाहे पण अंजे रस्ते हली अंजे जे हली अंजे बोले हली अंजा कार्य अंजी सपना पाण मळे उज्जवल कंदासीं त इन लाइ કરીને पंहिंजी श्रद्धांजलि आहे जय श्री कृष्ण
I now invite the convener of the Malabar Wing, Mr. Rais Ahmed, to speak about his association with Kanak Bhai.
Today, we are here to celebrate the life of Kanak Bai. When someone passes away and his thoughts are revered and his good deeds are talked about, I believe in a faith which says that person is close to Almighty. When we think about Kanak Bai, we can think about the fatherly figure who loves you very much. Even though all of us call him Kanak Bai, he just doesn't give us only the fatherly love, but also gives us the friendship of a brother. The humbleness with which he addresses you makes you feel close to him. Whenever we discuss anything about the education of children, his eyes brighten up and he is full of action to make sure our children get the best. Thinking about Kanak Bai will not be complete without a quotation from John Wayne, the English cleric. With due apologies, you have done the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can. Kanak Bai, you are an epitome of kindness.
Mr. Sandeep Karnik, convener of the Indian Social Club Marathi Wing, will now talk about his feelings for Kanak Bhai.
कनकबाई, आज तुम्ही आमच्यामध्ये नाही आहात हा विश्वासच बसत नाही. आज तुमच्या जाण्याने मस्कतमधील भारतीय समाज, इंडियन सोशल क्लब, इंडियन स्कूल आणि मस्कतचे क्रिकेट यांचे अतोनात नुकसान झाले आहे आणि त्याचप्रमाणे एक मोठी पोकळी निर्माण झाली आहे. आज तुमच्या जाण्याने एक नम्र नेता, आमचे गुरु आम्ही गमावले आहेत. इंडियन सोशल क्लब मस्कत, त्यांचे मराठी विंग आणि मस्कतमधील मराठी समुदाय ह्यांच्यातर्फे तुम्हाला आदरांजली श्रद्धांजली आणि तुमच्या आत्म्यास चिरशांती लाभो हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना. धन्यवाद.
After those verbal tributes to Kanak Bhai, we have some musical tributes too. And I request Deepti Rawal from The Art of Living to present a bhajan for us today. Shah to come up on stage and present a bhajan.
जगत पालिनी जगत मोहिनी हे जननी जगदम्बा जगत पालिनी जगत मोहिनी हे जननी जगदम्बा विश्वरूपिणी विश्वलोचनी विश्वरूपिणी विश्वलोचनी हे जननी जगदम्बा जगत पालिनी जगत मोहिनी हे जननी जगदम्बा त्रिपुर सुंदरी त्रिभुवनधारिणी त्रिपुर सुंदरी त्रिभुवनधारिणी त्रिलोकवासिनी हे जगदम्बा माता भवानी बहुबलधारिणी माता भवानी बहुबलधारिणी हे जननी जगदम्बा जगत पालिनी जगत मोहिनी हे जननी जगदम्बा भद्रकालिनी महायोगिनी भद्रकालिनी महायोगिनी चामुण्डेश्वरी हे जगदम्बा चामुण्डेश्वरी हे जगदम्बा मा विशालाक्षी श्री श्री जननी मा विशालाक्षी श्री श्री जननी हे जननी जगदम्बा जगत पालिनी जगत मोहिनी हे जननी जगदम्बा जगत पालिनी जगत मोहिनी हे जननी जगदम्बा
As we come to the end of this emotional condolence meeting, I would like to thank all the speakers for sharing their experiences with Kanak Bhai. Special thanks go out to Kiran Bhai for helping organize the program and to Art of Living for the bhajans. Our heartfelt condolences to Kalpana Bhabi and the entire Khimji family. There is a song, "Ay Malik Tere Bande Hum, Aise ho Hamare Karam, Neki par chale aur badi se tale, Taki haste hue nikle dam." Kanak Bhai was truly God's own child, and with his good deeds, he won over the hearts of everyone, big and small alike. Kanak Bhai, we will never forget you. May God bless you always, and thank you for everything that you did for us. Thank you.